Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to change the currency of your WooCommerce product shop. So first of all guys, I will need you to go to your WordPress website, go to your dashboard and then go to plugins, add new, and from there guys, I will need you to search for WooCommerce. Here we go, and click on enter. Now guys, all I need you to do is click on install now and then activate. When you finish with that, go to install plugins, make sure that they are on the active section, so here it is, and then if it is not, go to inactive and search for it here and make it active, and of course update it if there is any updates to do. Now, as you can see here, if I went to my products over here, you will notice that most or all my products are actually in euros. And let's say that I want them to be in dollars. So how can I change them? You can't really change it from here. So if I click on edit, you don't really have the like, command or the option to change it from here to something else. So what can I do to actually change it from euro to actually its own price in dollars? It is pretty simple. So now what I'm going to do is click on here in the WooCommerce, and what you'll find is these sections, so these sub menus. What you are going to do is click on settings, and from here guys, go all the way down and you will find here currency option. Here I have the currency on euro, so basically I'm going to change it to dollar. So here we go, dollar, and let's change for USA dollar. So in United States, and here it is. So now I will click on save changes, and if I went back to my products, I will find that all my products has been changed to dollars instead of euros. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you can actually change the currency from anything to anything else that you want. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.